Alright, trying to button things up, getting back up to speed here. We got us a new battery. We just went to the parts store for that. You're probably gonna dock us on the Duralast Gold Edition. But it is what it is, it'll make do. Right front brake shut off. Put it in a new location. We've got it plumbed in there. We just gotta go down this bar here, and then we're gonna shoot down, around, and put it in there. And then our brakes will be plumbed. We're getting there, we're getting close. What else you want to add there, Sam?
I don't have much to add other than, oh, we did finish, we wired it up too. We hooked the solenoid up to the switch. We just put a ground and a power wire, power side control switch, and I like this setup better. We used to have it outside the cockpit, but I like it inside better. It's cleaner this way, and I like having the brake line run down this way.
Let there be fire.
I like using nickel copper brake line over steel brake line for this reason right here. You don't need a bender to bend it, and it bends very easily. Problem though is if it takes a big hit, it's not very strong. And we originally had this run across the front cross member on the car, and we took a rock and it almost split it right in half.
Yeah.
So I think it's going to be safer to run it inside the chassis here and then down that way. I think it's going to be safer that way. That's the only comment I got to make. That's it. You see the girl at the parts store? She told me it was long. It was really long. She was impressed.
72-inch piece. Well, not that piece, but. Oh, was I not recording that whole time? You might get double footage. So the brake line we just picked up is a little long, and the flare tool is at Sam's house, but we've got the hard part pretty much done with the right front installed. Got it running down this way and into there. So she's just a touch long, if you can see. But no worries, we'll bleed the brakes as soon as we can. Tighten up these rears, and we probably don't even have enough brake fluid to bleed everything out, but we'll get it done. We'll get this battery installed and these seat belts put in here shortly too. Stay tuned.
All right, gang, checking back in with you. Got the seat out. Going to cut us a hole in here for our seat belts. Before, we've been mounting our seat belts right here to this hole, looping them up over the seat top right here. But this time, now that we got everything apart, we're actually going to cut us a big hole in here and run us out and mount our seat belts into these two tabs. We're assuming these two tabs were actually originally designed for the seat belt themselves. And then we're going to move this ground piece right here where it's supposed to go. So we'll have seat belt. The tab back underneath it here is going to strictly be for mounting the seat. And then we've got two holes in the bottom as well to mount the seat in there. So we're going to keep on keeping on. Oh, and one other check-in. When we mounted our fuel pressure gauge, we had to run a line out to the fuel log, and this is where our ignition or our starter solenoid used to mount, and it was actually touching right here. So I just moved the starter solenoid down about 6 inches. That gives us plenty of clearance here for our fuel pressure line. Will you hold that? Alright, so I think now will be a great time to tell you guys that we had this awesome idea that we were going to make our cockpit completely out of stainless steel when we originally did this.
I got it from a job site, so it didn't cost us.
Yeah, we didn't have any money in the stainless, so But boy, it is hard to drill through. It is just tough, but that's what we made it out of stainless for. It's a lot more protective for the driver. I'm yawning. Tired.
Been a long day.
It has been.
We got a little porthole cut in here. We kind of forgot about you again, but we got it cut in there and put some tape on there for the sharp edges. So everything is bolted back in there now. And what do you got in your hands there?
I'm gonna check mark off some stuff off the list so we can wrap it up for the night. I'm bushed. So much on here. And right front brake shut off we got completely done. It's all the way in there.
Yep.
And what about plumb fuel?
Yeah, I would say that's in there.
I'd say we got that knocked off tonight too.
Why don't you use the silver marker?
I don't know.
Because you don't know where it's at.
It's right here. I just thought it would be more dramatic to have the black one, but obviously not.
No.
So we have to start over again?
No.
Alright, Drew says I need to use the silver Sharpie.
Right. Yeah. Get it out there. I don't see it no more.
Okay. And what else can we knock off of here? Replace battery.
Yeah, got that.
Got that done. That's 3 things off the list.
Install switches.
Where's that at?
Right there.
Boom. Get that off the list. Looking good. Looking good. What else?
No body work.
Aluminum battery holder.
Yes.
It's done.
Yes.
Knock that off the list. And let's see.
Didn't do any body.
Yeah, we're doing everything in preps for that. Not quite done with the brake lines. We've got one little part to do, and then the bleed, mount, and fab fuel cell.
Ooh.
Boom. Let's get that off the list. That's done. Make wiring harness. We got that done.
Why haven't we been checking off our list?
Well, you know, because we've been working hard. We've been working hard. And this stuff here is all going to come later. So,
yeah.
As you guys can see, we've been killing it in the garage this weekend. It's going to be a wrap for us for the night. We're going to get all this put together and get out to you guys. And appreciate y'all hanging out. And next time when we come back, we'll probably be back working on doing the body work. So thanks for hanging out with us tonight. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. We'd love to hear what everyone has to say. Have a great evening.